This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to see who liked your activity on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on Letterboxd desktop. I'm on letterboxd.com currently. So the main way to do this is we will come up to the profile. So you hover over the image of yourself and your username here. You would click on profile, and just like that, you're on the profile. Now what we want to do, we've got profile here, and the second tab along is activity. We click on activity. And the first one along is friends, so that's essentially showing activity of your friends specifically. That's my activity, or in your case, your activity, what you've actually done on the platform. And then we click on over to incoming, which is the tab we want. And from here, we can click load older activity. And we can see all of the activity that has taken place where somebody has liked or commented or interacted, maybe with a list, with a review, of things on your profile. So this is how you see all of the activity. We can keep on going down and clicking load older activity. We can see all of the review likes, all of the follows of our profile, and also all of the likes of specific lists, and it notes it all here. And of course, if you want to see something, you can just click through straight away and go straight to that particular review, list, or other activity. So hopefully you found this short video on how to see the activity and to see who's liked stuff on your Letterboxd profile. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.